When we think about AI more generally, there are many different types. And two of the most common types are predictive AI and generative AI. Now, predictive AI is usually the domain of data scientists. Imagine for a minute that you have a large database, let's say with 300 million lines of customer data, and you need to analyze that data to predict future customer behavior. You would typically use a predictive AI solution to consume that data, classify it with a machine learning model, and then use that model to predict future customer behaviors or future customer purchases. Generative AI, however, is an AI technology which uses pre-trained large language models to generate new content for you and provide a conversational response to a prompt. Copilot is a generative AI solution. And to me, the real revolution that Copilot is making happen is that it's making AI technologies available to everybody. It's integrated with Microsoft Teams for meetings, chats, and even Teams Phone. It's integrated with Outlook to help me with my emails. It's integrated with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to help me generate new documents, to summarize complex information or analyze my data. And it's even integrated into OneDrive, Loop, Whiteboard, and OneNote to help me with common tasks in those experiences.